The F5E3 error code on a Kenmore washer indicates a problem with the lid lock. This issue can be caused by a faulty assembly, wiring issues, or damage to the lid. To resolve the error, start by resetting the washer. Unplug it from the power source. Wait 2 minutes, and then plug it back in. If the issue persists, inspect the lid lock for any damage or wear that could be interrupting the cycle, and check the wiring for any problems additionally. Ensure the lid is properly aligned, as a misaligned lid can also cause issues. It's essential to avoid forcing the lid open, as this can cause further damage. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be due to a complex problem, such as a control board malfunction, and professional assistance may be necessary. In some cases, replacing damaged components may be the best solution.